Oh my god, this guy is a genius. He handmade a heart-shaped stove. The wood stove can boil water, cook food, and make soup at the same time. And it has a strong fire and cooks fast. It greatly improves the cooking efficiency. The making is also very simple. He first drew a heart-shaped line on the ground and used bricks to build along the line. To make a brick structure of this shape as the wall of the wood stove, then he added another layer of half bricks on the whole brick to raise the overall height of the wood stove. After all, the bricks were done. On both sides of the heart-shaped opening, he used 3 bricks to build an arch and filled the gaps between the bricks with cement to ensure the sealing of the hole. After filling it, he used bricks to make a fence behind the arch and filled the soil between the fence and the brick wall. And the top of the fence needed to be smeared with cement and placed a few steel bars to make the ash falling plate of the wood stove. Then he used bricks to separate the 2 sides of the new room to form 3 areas inside the wood stove. Then he continued to fill the 3 areas with sand and spread the sand from low to high to form a slope, then covered the sand with cement to fix the shape. After the inside of the wood stove was done, he cut a plastic board into a heart shape. After cutting it, he put it on the wood stove and placed 3 paint buckets and smeared cement on them to make the countertop of the wood stove. And the function of the paint buckets was to leave 3 round holes as the stove hole to make the countertop strong and durable. He also had to bury a few steel bars in the cement. Then he smoothed the cement and waited for it to solidify. After the cement solidified, he moved the paint buckets and removed the plastic board inside the stove. After removing everything, he could smear the brick wall of the wood stove and cover it with a layer of cement to make it look and form a hole with the countertop. After covering and smoothing everything, he glued 3 small stones at the stove position as the pot rack, and after brushing the hole with a layer of cement paste, this 3-headed heart-shaped wood stove was done. Now he could light it and test its effect. After lighting it, he could see that the fire was very strong. The 3 stoves could be used at the same time. This way, he could greatly improve the cooking efficiency. So for such a versatile wood stove, how many points out of 100 would you give him?